knowing the fjord altogether, because it's so enormous, I know all the wonderful places, all the great spots and the interesting parts, and that's where I like to take my guests. In my job, I have the privilege to be able to show my guests on board my ship what I really love myself in the fjord behind Nuuk Fjord. I'm very happy to do that. Nuuk Fjord is enormous. It has so much to offer. In adventure tourism, you can do so many things in there, and it's really, really big, and it's beautiful, wonderful. You can sail for days and days in there, and you will still see new things and new animals, and you get new adventures. So the possibilities in there are just endless, with tall, big mountains and long fjord runs, lots of wildlife, beautiful sceneries, whales, icebergs, waterfalls, whatnot. It's just fantastic in there. Some of the things that you can do in Nuuk Fjord is both hunting and fishing. And as for fishing, we have this special, very popular product. We call it fish and dish. Well, the idea is that we sail into the fjord, we look at the icebergs, waterfalls, wildlife and whatnot, beautiful scenery, and that alone is just breathtaking. Then we go to this special fishing spot that I know of, where we will catch redfish and cod in deep water. 100 meters down we'll find the redfish. And well, I can guarantee you, you will get fish. So we will fill up a big bucket with fish, and then we'll bring the fish to my best friend's restaurant that he has opened in the fjord. And in that restaurant, we'll give the fish to the chef. He will prepare the fish, and he will cook it and serve it in wonderful dishes in the restaurant that I dare say has the most beautiful view in the world. So this way you get the grandiousness of the fjord, you get the fun of the fishing, and the wonderful gourmet experience on top. Very popular, very nice, you should try. I've had several opportunities as for careers, but I chose the sea because I really like sailing. I mean, I'm bragging a little bit when I say that I could row before I could walk. It's not entirely true, but I practically grew up on small boats and ships here in Greenland, so I just have a natural love for this sailing here. So, well, I really like it, and now I make a living of it. I feel so lucky. Sailing is just the best. What nature does to me is that it makes me feel happy, it makes me feel free, but it also makes me feel humble and thankful to what we have here. It's clean, it's pure, and it's wild. It's the Arctic at its best.